Right, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $219.31 worth of goods, and it's all said and done. I had an overage, a money maker of $32.29. And as always, that total includes a tax, so we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, and real accurate. So this is for the week of March 24th to March 30th, or March 23rd to March 29th if you live up north. So I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do these deals the rest of the week. So let's get right into the 21 or so best deals of the week. I thought, and some of these deals I did before, and I did them again because it came back and bought it. And of course, this U by Kotex pads was one of them. I talked about this in my last video, and I did it again because the rebate came back in a Bada. Still, coupons are still valid. So basically, I got these U by Kotex pads. They are, you either get the 24 count or the 14 count, and then there also is another size 12 count that's $3.79. But these are $3.35, so you get the most bang for your buck. I bought 9 of them. So $3.35 times 9 was $30.15. And then there's the teen ones. These are either $6.99 or $7.99. So I got the ones that were $6.99. So for 3 of those was $20.97 for those. And I used 7 of these $4 off of 2 manufacturer coupons. And since I've got 14 items, I used 7 of those, 4 off of 2. And I used 7 of these $4 off of 2 store coupon from the spring savings, and I got the link below to print that coupon. And then I submitted to Ibotta for 3 of these at $2 each, so that was $6 back. And I was unable to do this, so you'll do better than me if you still have that 25. Spend 25, you get $5 fetch reward. If you still have that, you'll get another $5. Unfortunately, I used mine. I was thinking to maybe save these receipts and do it, see if it comes out in April where they have the same kind of thing, but I believe it has to be purchased in that month. So all in all, $30.15 and $20.97. That's around $51.12. And then I got $28 back from 7 of those coupons, $28 back from 7 of those coupons, and as I mentioned, $6 back from Ibotta. So I had a $10.88 overage moneymaker right there. Alright, keep going. Rowdy energy drinks. So I found these guys on clearance, 2 for $2, so $1 each. And there's a Publix digital coupon for $1.50 off of 2, so clip that if you can find these. You know, I know probably not going to be at every store, but if you can find them on clearance, they're right by the kill cliff on a table that was marked clearance, or sometimes they have like a rack. So if you can find them, you spend, I mean, the regular price for these are $2.50 each, so it'd be $5.38 with tax. However, as I mentioned, they are $1 each, so it's $2.15 for both of them, and got that $1.50 off of 2 Publix digital coupon. And of course, as you know, Publix Promise, it actually rang up wrong, and the way you do this is you pay for it, even though you see and you're aware. The Rowdy, there it is. One of them rang up right for $1, and the other one rang up for $2. So you know, you don't say anything, you pay for it, and then you know, before you leave the store, or you can come back maybe later and say, hey, look, it's supposed to be this, and it rang up this. And basically what they do is they give you your money back, and then you get to keep the item. So making that give me the $2.15 back, making me $1.50 overage on those 2. Colgate Optic white toothpaste. So stuff, I've got a lot of it, but I can always use it. So regular price for these guys are $3.59. So for 2 of them plus tax comes to $7.72. And also from the Spring Savers, there is $1 off of each one. And the coupons.com app, there's $3 off of 2, and you got to hurry up because I know that's going away soon. So you spend $6.45 for these because they are on sale for $3 each. So with tax, it came to $6.45. Use 2 of those coupons. That's $1 off and another $1. That's $2 off with the $6.45. Brings us to $4.45. And then you got the coupons.com rebate was $3 off. So it cost me $1.45 for both of these. And as always, I'm always working up to something. So I had these. So I did this in 4 transactions because I had this beautiful $5 off of 15 Target competitor coupon. This Target was remodeling. They're sending these out. I have some good neighbors, so I was able to get my hands on about 9 of them. So I got 5 of them left. Expire in April 9th, so I'll use those next time. So that obviously makes me have a bigger and bigger moneymaker. Fody pasta sauce. It only takes 1 store, man. I've been to like 15 stores, and I can only find them at one of my stores. I think it's more of a Whole Foods and Sprouts. Maybe go to Whole Foods, maybe go to Sprouts and find it. But I've got the link to print that coupon below. It's already $6.99, and it takes $6.99 off, so it's a totally free jar. Kill Cliff energy drinks. So once again, by the Rowdy, they're really getting rid of these. I had to I saw them at the table yesterday, and the guy went and got them. I guess they say he told me that they donate them after a while if they don't sell. But he found these in a shopping cart for me before they were getting donated. I bought them, $1.50 each. Regular price for these guys are $2.99, so for 5 of them with tax it costs $16.07. But as you see, they're clearanced out for $1.50. So with tax for 5 of them comes to $8.06. And there is about a rebate limit of 5 for $1.50 back, so that's $7.50 back. And there is a Get Kill Cliff for $1 rebate. So I've got the link for that below, and that's a limit of 3. So that makes these 5 a 94-cent moneymaker. And I did this deal last week, and I did it again before this coupon expires on March 25th. Today's the 24th, so get on that if you want to get some more Sundown vitamins. So this time, I did notice that it did say a limit of 1 coupon per purchase per customer. When I did it last week, I didn't even realize that, and I was able to get multiple ones. This time, as I said, I did a couple of different transactions, so I was able to, different stores, use it 1 coupon per customer. I guess if you have someone with you, maybe you're watching your mother, your grandma, whatever, and you take them to the store with you, and they can be a moneymaker for you. So, anyways, these are for 3 of them. These are a little more. The vitamin C is $4.99, so you can get the vitamin C too. But this is $5.19 for these. So for 3 of them, it costs $15.57. And as you can see, I used 3 of these, $3 off. That's 9 back, and 3 of these, $3 off. Another 9 back, making that a $2.43 overage on those. $18 and minus your $15.57, $2.43. Sundown vitamin C's, same kind of thing. These aren't at every store, but I was able to find some. Same deal, $6.99. They're $6.99 each, would be $13.98. I used 2 of these, $4 off, and of course 2 of those store coupons, $4 off. And as you know, you're allowed to use 1 manufacturer and 1 store coupon, so perfectly fine there. So 2-cent overage on that. Hidden Valley, did this again. I did all these deals right before they're about to go out. If you have a digital coupon clipped for that, it's a buy 1 get 1 free digital coupon, and there is a buy 1 get 1 free store coupon. So as I mentioned before, you can use a manufacturer coupon. Digital coupon's a manufacturer coupon, and you can use a store coupon. So $1.79 for these guys. You buy 2 of them, it's $3.58. Use that digital coupon as I mentioned, and use that store coupon, making these guys absolutely free. Silk Next Milk, still on sale. Their regular price is $5.29, but they're on sale too for $8, so that's $4 each. And digital coupon takes off $2. Ibotta takes off $1. So you are good. You're gonna only spend $1 for that guy. And once again, it'll help me reach up to my 4 different transactions of $15. I mean, come on, this coupon is just one of the best, probably the best I've seen. I've seen 10 off of 30. So yeah, very good competitor coupon. Check your store to see what competitor coupons they accept. Fortunately, there is these 3 Publix I went to 4 Publix I went to are all within like 3 miles of each other, so it was very, very easy to hit up 4 Publix. Alright, Venetta Good Humor. This is an easy one. The regular price for these are $7.49, and Fetch has a free one. So it's $7.49 plus tax, $8.05, and Fetch gives you back 7,490 Fetch rewards points, which is equivalent to about $7.49. And oh man, on the shelf it was marked $4.99. So another Publix promise. As you can see, they put it on a gift card. It was $8.05 right there, and I had another thing here that I had picked up the wrong one, so I'll get into that later. But anyways, Publix promise was granted again, and that was completely free. Of course, I submitted it to Fetch before I talked to the customer service, and I get Fetch points right away. And as I said, always check the clearance rack, because these were actually on the shelf. So regular price are $12.99. They're on sale for $9.99, and some of them are on clearance for $4.99. So the adults happen to be on clearance for $4.99. And there's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off, and Ibotta has a $3 off Ibotta rebate, so making that a 1 cent overage on that. So $12.99 and making a 1 cent overage on that. So that was really good. Schick Xtreme disposable razor right there. You know, I got it the wrong way. Oh, and I don't have the coupon for it. I didn't print it out for you. I mean, so these are regular price for these are $7.99. So with tax, you're talking about $8.59. But they're on sale for $5.99 this week. So they come to $6.44, and there is a manufacturer coupon, printable for $4 off. Manufacturer printable for $4 off, and I got the link for that below. And then you can submit to coupons.com app for another $4 off. And I know people say, you know, you can't do both, but you know, use your best judgment on that. Do what you like. I think if you're just buying this using the coupon, or using a digital coupon that'll say DC Schick minus $4, or you know, or you're getting a bunch of stuff like this, and you have stuff that didn't use a coupon, as I did on my transaction. I bought this in the same transaction. This one there's no coupon for that, so I don't know if they can't. You know, I don't want to get into it too much, but how can they decipher you didn't use that $4 off vendor coupon for that item and that? So regardless, I hope they're not watching. I mean, I hope they are. I need the watch time. But this became a $6.44 with tax, $4 manufacturer printable coupon, and $4 from the coupons.com app. $1.56 overage money maker on that one if you do it that way. All right, Dr. Praeger Perfect Burgers. These ones went up way in price. They were a lot lower, but they are $5.79. So for 2 of them, would cost you $11.58. They're BOGO this week. That means you get 2 of them for $5.79. Gotta love that. And there's a manufacturer printable for $2 off. And you use 2 of those, and you're going to pay $1.79 for both of those. So great, and I'll help me reach my 4 transactions of $15 to get my $5 off, which made $20 off when you do 4 transactions of it. Alright, Silk Oat Milk. These are regularly $3.99 each, so that'd be $7.98. However, they're BOGO, so you get 2 Silk Oats. Boom and boom. The side with the nextmilk in the middle. But the Silk Oats were $3.99 for both of them, and there is a manufacturer printable. I got the link for that below for $1.25 off of each one. You print 2 of them, and then once again you can go to coupons.com and get another $1.25 off, making those only 24 cents for those. So that I thought was a good deal. Tressemme, keep going. So regular price for these guys, I thought they were even higher than this, but they're $4.79. So with tax, come to $10.30. However, they're on sale this week for $4 off when you buy 2 of them. So they come to $2.79 each. With tax, came to $6. And there is a manufacturer coupon from the Unilever insert from March 13th. So that took $4 off, making that only $2 off for those. Borden cheese is the regular price is $3.99 for these, so it'd be $7.98 for both of them. However, they are BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $3.99. There is a manufacturer printable coupon for $1 off. I don't have it on my table. I used it, but $1 off for that. I got the link to print it below, and then you combine that with the store coupon, which expires tomorrow, for 55 cents off of each one. So you're only paying 89 cents for both of those when you do the both coupons. All right, to keep going, Crest Pro Health. Let's get to this one. I got a couple more good ones on here. This one is regular price for these guys are not a big sale. $3.65 with tax comes to $3.92. However, regular price they're on sale for $3. So with tax comes to $3.23 for this, and Publix digital coupon takes $2 off. I clipped all the digital coupons for Crest. So, you know, when it rang up, it took off one for $2. And once again, for Ibotta, I clipped all the Crest Ibotta rebates. It took $1 off. For, I'm not sure where you got the 3D white one, even though it's not 3D white. It took $1 off for the Ibotta rebate, so making that only 23 cents for those. All right, my favorite deal this week, the Dove hand soap. So these are regular price, $4.49. So for 2 of them with tax comes to $9.65. And there is a buy one get one free manufacturer coupon from the Unilever, $3.13, the same place I got that guy, and that takes off $4.49. And then there is a Publix digital coupon for $4.49. So make sure you got that clipped and give them this first, and at the end give them the digital coupon, your phone number, and bam, it came off. So I was excited about that, and I guessed it, so I was proud of myself. I said, you know, this will probably work. So, because, you know, the cashier, I think, enters as an open coupon and enters a price, so maybe can't decipher it was a whatever. I don't want to get too much into it, but this you pay $9.65 for both of these. You get $4.49 off from this manufacturer coupon, and you get $4.49 off from the Publix digital coupon. And then submit to fetch, and you get 1,000 points, so that's another $1. So, you know, 33-cent overage on these guys if you played it right. Ragu pasta sauce. A lot of people get the bigger size. Why not get this size? It was the 14-ounce size Ragu traditional. These are regularly $1.99, and they're BOGO as well. So $1.99 for both these. And from the Save March 13th, there is a 50 cents off coupon. You use 2 of those, and making these 2 jars only 99 cents. And final deal, the Natrol Melatonin. I can't believe there was tax on this. I mean, it is a vitamin, but there was tax, and I was kind of disappointed about that because it didn't make that good of a deal. But $7.99 for this guy with tax, $8.59. There is from the Spring Savings $3 off, and from the Smart Source March 13th, there's $2 off. So making that $3.59. But I was using this, flinging these things around, so I didn't really care that I was paying $3.59. Actually, come on, I didn't really care because I got paid $32.29 this week. So, you know, I know, don't be mad at me because, you know, you don't have this coupon and you can't get it or whatever. Maybe you did, but there's other store coupons. I'm just giving you an example of what I did this week, and hopefully you can take some of these deals away from you. And you know, like anything, the more you do the couponing and stuff, the better you get at it. So once again, you know, please subscribe. This funny looking guy right here. Check out more of my paid to shop videos. Everybody enjoy their couponing.